I'm Semyon Dukac. I have 75 angel investments, and I'm a full-time mentor at Techstars Boston. I invested in Enertiv a year ago entirely because of Connell and Pasha. They share a real passion for quantifying and visualizing energy use. Their product at scale would create meaningful energy conservation and make a real difference for the planet. Since originally investing, I've been blown away by their dogged determination to grow a scalable and profitable business. They've hired true A players, built an awesome product, and are now showing real traction.
It's a very exciting time for the US and the rest of the world because finally, the cities we live in and the companies that we work for are looking for ways to save energy. Buildings waste 30% of the energy they consume. That costs about $40 billion every year. And that waste alone is enough to power New York City for the next 8 years. But cities and businesses are struggling to address this problem because energy usage is not transparent. At least, not until today. My name is Connell, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Enertiv, an energy monitoring company. We've built a combination of hardware and software that allows buildings to monitor their energy consumption in real time to save energy and save money. Now, compared to energy management systems, Enertiv is less complex and less expensive. And compared to energy metering, Enertiv is here for the building owners, not the utilities. We're monitoring every single circuit in a building, not just one single point every 15 minutes. With Enertiv's advanced multi-point monitoring solution, we're collecting real-time data on how much energy each piece of equipment in a building is consuming. And it's easy to collect this data with our advanced monitoring hardware. See, it mounts right beside the breaker box and installs in less than 1 hour. And there's no need to interrupt power because we're using split-core current transformers as our sensors. That's how we collect the data. And our solution is cloud-based. But more importantly, Enertiv provides advanced analytics. Using our algorithms, we give insights and recommendations for saving energy and saving money. And we've built powerful tools for the building owners, building operators, and building occupants. The building owners can track their entire building portfolio in real time. We send them weekly summaries on how each of their buildings are performing, and we show them how much money they've saved, a lot like Mint.com. Building operators can examine the runtime schedules and performance of each piece of equipment in their buildings. Our software will tell them when they have a problem and how they should fix it, and how much money they've saved by doing so. And finally, the building occupants. We show them how much energy they're using on a personal level, the environmental impacts of their actions, and how well they're doing compared to their peers. We've also designed competitions to engage them in their energy savings, and we're partnering with major brands to give away prizes as incentives. Let me show you our technology in action. This is the Ross Woodward School in Connecticut, one of our first clients where we have 30 of our devices installed and we're monitoring more than 1,000 points in real time. Our software automatically detected a problem with their heating system. We sent them a recommendation on how to fix it, and by taking our advice, the Ross Woodward School was able to reduce their consumption in 2013 by 40%. Our system paid for itself in less than 1 year, and we're seeing these kinds of results across our entire portfolio of clients. Enertiv is targeting commercial and educational buildings. These are places where the energy usage is typically high, poorly managed, and where the waste directly impacts their bottom line. And this market is big. It's a market that we've already started tapping, with clients throughout the Northeast monitoring energy and more than 100 of our devices installed out in the field. And this number is growing quickly. There are 700,000 commercial and educational buildings just in the Northeast alone. and these account for about $6 billion in annual energy waste. We're going to give our devices away to at least 5% of these buildings and sign energy performance contracts for 50% of the energy savings. And with that, we can build a $75 million business right in our backyard. And we're not stopping there. There are 6.5 million other buildings just like these that need our solution. Since joining the RGA Accelerator, we've sent out proposals that would more than double the number of devices that we have out in the field today. They'll open up the doors into hundreds of new buildings. And I have a very exciting announcement to make. In the last month, we've signed Coworkers, a leading co-working space in New York City. The New School, one of the top 5 design schools in the world. Ohio State University, the largest public university in the country. New York University, the largest private university in the country. Equinox, the high-performance lifestyle and fitness leader. And just in the last 30 minutes, we found out we signed Albanese, a large property management company here in New York City. And we've got the team to make this all happen. Before Enertiv, I led a business development team at a well-known management consultancy selling solutions to Fortune 500 executives. My co-founder, Pasha, has lots of experience in rolling out cloud-based solutions at data centers, and he also developed our initial hardware prototype and software platform. And we've hired a team that's just as passionate about energy as we are, with experience in algorithmic trading and building data acquisition systems for Formula One race cars. If you're as excited about this opportunity as we are, then let's talk afterwards. I'm Connell, and we are Enertiv. Thank you.